Hello YouTube, this is a full review of Zorin OS 17.3 that I've installed on my MacBook Air. Now, as you see right here, probably, it's running from an external drive. There's the Zorin OS logo, which means it's booting up, and it boots up fairly quickly. I have it installed on a 2017 MacBook Air. There's my username. Yes, I'm using my real name as a username. Now, the reason you're seeing my face right now is because I don't want you to see the keyboard, because I don't want you to see me typing my password. Now, as we can see, we're logged in here, and I've changed my cursor size so that it's big. Now, here's the menu, and here are all the apps that would normally come with Zorin, as well as some that I've installed myself, like VLC, Audacity, tools like that. Now, the default web browser here is Brave web browser. Is that even open? Yes, that is. So let's demonstrate by going to apple.com. And as you see, we're on the network. Now, it was very easy to get on the network. If I look at my spare iPhone over here, it's not on, so let me switch it on for a second. You guys don't need to see this passcode. See, it says Darkstar over there. That means I'm active on US Mobile with a temporary eSIM for 30 days. And Darkstar uses AT&T. And personal hotspot is included with that. Now, this is a free trial number. This isn't my real number, because my real number is obviously on the phone that I'm recording with now on Boost Mobile. But since this phone is unlocked, I figured I'd use it to allow for personal hotspot usage. That's the only way you can get internet on a Zorin OS system on Linux. Now, let's demonstrate how easy it is to install software. So let's go to the terminal right here under System Tools, and first check for updates. Software on this system is up to date. Let's demonstrate how easy it is to install apps. Utilities. Where are the passwords and keys? Terminal. Here we are. Now, the command syntax is the same as Ubuntu. Hyphen install Now, the terminal is a really efficient way of installing apps if you know what you're doing. Password. Oh, there's no hyphen between the words get and install. But there is a hyphen here. And that's how easy it is to install apps in Zorin OS. It completed just like that. Now, it's a really lightweight system, and I really like using it. Oh, great. Let me fix the adaptive brightness on this system real quick. So let's go to displays, screen display, refresh rate, resolution, no, power, disable automatic screen brightness. There we go. Now we can see things a little bit better. Now, it was very simple to get this installed. You just go to the Zorin OS website, which I'll show you right here. You just go to the Zorin OS website right here. And then click the blue download button over here. And then choose the edition you want. This is Zorin OS 17.3 Core right here, which I'm running right now. Now, I'm not going to download it because I already have it. Now, most things work from the get-go on this computer, except for the Wi-Fi, which you can tether from the internet from your phone to get. If the Wi-Fi working. But since our specific service plan doesn't have it, I had to have a free trial of another service plan, which are freely available in the US, where I am. And I don't know if they're available in other countries, but if you do your research, you can figure it out. So basically, that's the full review of... Well, actually, there's one thing I haven't shown. The file manager. So let's go to Files right here. And you see there's my external drive right there, along with all the files that make up my entire digital life, basically. As you see right there, there are all my movies and TV shows. I'm not actually going to play anything because it's copyrighted, but you get the idea. That's basically my full review of Zorin OS.